Well, a local nonprofit isn't letting COVID-19 affect the way they impact the Baltimore community. Instead, they've ramped up their production, helping children and parents get through some homeschooling. WJZ is live. Max McGee explains how exploring food and eating habits is one of their missions. Hey, Max.
Hey, Nicole. Yeah, TasteWise Kids has been educating children for about 5 years now, teaching them about food and its sources. We would usually see them inside our local classrooms. Now they're coming straight to your living rooms.
You know, we're in May, and May is salad month.
Since 2015, the Maryland nonprofit TasteWise Kids has been teaching children about food, where it comes from, and the importance of healthy eating habits. What used to be time spent in the classroom has turned into lessons online because of the coronavirus.
We really operate with a single goal in mind, and that's to make food education fun for kids.
Manager Carrie Flanagan knows kids in Baltimore City may not be aware just how close farming is to them. Without reliable transportation, they may never see it. That's where TasteWise opens their eyes to a new world of agriculture.
You hear all kinds of things like, oh, I've never been able to run this far, things that aren't even really connected to the agriculture piece that we're trying to teach them about.
We're going to make something that's really simple.
Here's an example of a demonstration with Chef John Shields from Gertrude's in the Baltimore Museum of Art, breaking down easy ways to make a lemon honey vinaigrette salad. On the website, step-by-step instructions and even lesson plans on how to grow your own lettuce.
When your fourth grader is excited and bringing a lesson home from school that is exploring a new kind of food or a new way to eat, then it kind of is contagious.
38% of adolescents eat vegetables less than once daily.
We are also raising money to distribute salad kits to underprivileged families in the area so that they can enjoy a healthy meal for a family of 4 at home.
Salad can be much more than lettuce. The possibilities going forward are endless. Thanks to this nonprofit, the lessons online are free.
And one TasteWise study actually proves healthy eating can be beneficial to your child's knowledge. And it only takes a $15 donation to get one of those salad kits over to a Baltimore student and that family of 4. We have a link on our website posted right now on this story at WJZ.com. Live at 5, I'm Max McGee for WJZ.